Well, with all the violence in the city, we wanted to get the perspective from someone who's been on the inside. WMAR 2 News' Aaron McPherson sat down with a former Baltimore Police Deputy Commissioner to break down the crime and the officer-involved shooting from last night. Aaron?
Kelly, well, what we know tonight is that the officer who was shot in the leg is doing well. Police have not released if the officer was shot by the suspect or if it was a result of friendly fire. Now, the former Baltimore Police Deputy Commissioner I spoke with today says when there is a lot of gunfire from officers in cases like last night, accidents are more likely.
This it.
Several officers race after a silver SUV. The same vehicle police say shot at them just 2 days before, but they didn't pursue. Jason Johnson, a former Baltimore Police Deputy Commissioner, says BPD has a restrictive pursuit policy to limit the threat to the public and officers.
And only have a police chase when the danger of the person being pursued outweighs the danger of the pursuit, and pursuits are inherently dangerous.
Wednesday night, when police saw the vehicle again, they didn't take any chances of letting the driver get away. This is eyewitness video of the chase and the rapid gunfire.
When you hear all of that gunfire, there's I think people react in a way where they think it's excessive. We don't have the information we need right now to know whether it was or it wasn't, but certainly police officers are guided and trained in a certain way, and they're also human beings.
That gunfire left one officer injured, shot in the leg, and the suspect, Tyrone Banks, dead. Banks was arrested in 2015 for a similar situation, minus the gun. His court documents show reckless driving and driving away from uniformed police. He was found guilty of assault, destruction of property, resisting arrest, and traffic violations.
It is relevant to us looking at how we can prevent things like this from happening in the future. We continue to see cases where there were warning signs for individuals who were either suicidal or homicidal or otherwise had dangerous mental health conditions.
Johnson says police cannot be the sole solution in fixing the crime problem here in the city. He says there are many other players, like the state attorney's office, social services, and the judiciary system, as well as education. So he says everyone has to come together to work on crime reduction. Reporting live in Baltimore, Aaron McPherson, WMAR 2 News.